Hi, welcome to DigitalFence.
Let's see different features of Kid Launcher. Enable Lend device and select Parental Control AI. It's a parent curated app screen, where all the apps are grouped under different categories. The content browsed on Chrome and YouTube is automatically categorized into games, social media, entertainment, etc., using AI. Usage limits are aggregated across apps, websites and YouTube. Green tag shows time left in the app category. Gray tag tells daily limit is over. Yellow shows break time, whereas red shows category is blocked. At bottom, you get 4 buttons. Phone call is enabled only if parent allows. Under usage, you can see the time spent on each category. Under wellness, child can relax his body by following this relaxation video.
Sit comfortably and close your eyes very slowly and very gently.
Child can also listen to the soothing sounds of rain and birds to calm their mind after a busy day. Under settings, you get multiple options to change background themes. Right on top, there is emergency button. Child gets 3 options to reach out to parents in case of emergency. Emergency access time can be increased under settings. Tap on exit button to exit the child mode. Only parents can exit the child mode after entering the passcode.